In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files in Outlook. We'll be working from the Outlook dashboard, and this is a simple process once you know where everything is. If you need to send a document, image, spreadsheet, or another file along with your message, Outlook gives you a quick way to do it directly while composing your email. Start by opening Outlook and going to your main mail dashboard. Once you're there, look to the top left corner and click New Email. This opens a fresh message window where you can begin creating the email you want to send. Next, move to the To field and type in your recipient's email address. As Outlook starts to recognize the address, it may show a suggested contact. When that appears, click on the address to confirm it. This helps make sure the email is going to the correct person and can also save time if the contact is already stored in Outlook. After that, click into the subject line and type a clear subject for your email. A good subject line helps the recipient understand what the message is about before they even open it, especially if you're sending an important file. Now click into the main text field of the email. This is where your message will go. Even if your main goal is to send an attachment, it's always a good idea to include a short note so the recipient knows what the file is and why you're sending it. Once you're in the message area, look at the top row of formatting options and click the paperclip icon. This is the attachment button. When you click it, Outlook will show you a few options for where to get the file from. Choose Browse this computer to attach a file stored on your device. A file browser window will open. From here, locate the file you want to send and select it from your device. After you choose the file, Outlook will upload and attach it to your email. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds, so give it a moment if needed. When the file appears in your email, that means the attachment has been added successfully. At this point, you can finish writing your message, review everything one last time, and make sure the recipient, subject line, and attachment are all correct. Once everything looks good, go ahead and send the email. And that's it. You now know how to attach files in Outlook quickly and confidently.